In this video, we'll be going over how to program a TekTouchPad via the Tek3 it is connected to using TekWizard. So, first thing you'll want to do after you open TekMonitor is open up TekWizard. Then you'll want to select the appropriate TekMonitor template and device template for the room or TekMonitor you are working on. And once you have that selected, you can just hit finish here to go right to the end. So next you'll want to select the appropriate TekMonitor and get that in here. After that, you'll want to check TekBus under the advanced firmware load options. As you can see, that ungrade all the options over here. The device or dev and the address or adder options here you won't need to mess with. They are good as they are. And below that, you'll need to select the file. So this will be the project file you will be loading onto your touchpad. So for this example, I'm just going to select test.tkp. All touchpad project files are .tkp files. That's what you will be loading into your touchpads. So if your TekTouchPad is plugged directly into your Tek3, this is as far as you need to go. You don't need to worry about these two options down here. However, some rooms or setups have their touchpad connected to the Tek3 via the 1201 in or 1201 NV switcher in that room. If that is the case, you'll want to check the box for the appropriate switcher. So if you have a 1201 in the room and that's what the TekTouchPad is connected to, you'll select the 1201 in pass through. Or if you have a 1201 MV in the room and that is what the TekTouchPad is connected to, you'll select 1201 MV pass through. And once you've gotten all of this right, you've got your project file, selected the appropriate switcher, if there is one. All you need to do now is hit save. This will bring up a progress window, much like with regularly loading a TekMonitor. And when that is finished, I advise you to uncheck TekBus and reload the TekMonitor with its old templates. Sometimes when loading a touchpad project through a Tek3, some data can get messed up as it has to make room for the touchpad project. And when you're finished, hit save. And once you're done with that, you've programmed your TekTouchPad and your room will be ready to use with its new configuration. Thank you for watching.